How to create AI videos using HeyGen. First, open your web browser and go to heygen.com. Then, sign in with your Google account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create. Next, click Single Scene. Enter or paste the script you want the avatar to speak. For example, "Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional AI videos using HeyGen in just a few simple steps." Now, choose your preferred AI voice and language. You can also adjust the speaking speed and pronunciation if those options are available. Customize your video by adding a background, text, images, logos, or music. Once everything looks good, click Generate. HeyGen will create your AI video with a talking avatar and synchronized voice. Finally, preview the video, then click Export or Download to save it to your computer. That's it. You've successfully created an AI video using HeyGen. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, video creation tips, and easy tech guides.